This is my bunny maze project, and in this project we have two main methods, one of which is the movement of the rabbit navigating through the maze, which includes two do in orders so that he doesn't just move straight to the maze ignoring the walls, and a do together so that everything does properly in its sequence so that some things go a little bit quicker. And then in the second method, we have the walking animation so that the rabbit isn't just sliding along the floor. And this allows him to walk in between turns so that it looks as if he's going forward. And then also, halfway through, I have the rabbit saying ah and scurrying back through the maze because there's some scary figures at the end. And here is the product.